Now that we have our network and our server, the next thing we need to do is configure some type of traffic to go through our network so that we can see how it performs. So go ahead and open up the object palette, and we need to place down two items here. The application definition icon, which has been named SM application config. Go ahead and put one down here. And we also need to add a profile definition, which has been named SM profile config. So these two objects here are the core of what makes the application traffic run in the network. And this is how it works. It's essentially a three-step process. The application definition contains a list of traffic, or a list of applications that can be utilized in the profiles. So right-click application definition, click Edit Attributes, and drop down Application Definitions. You'll see a whole list of various types of network traffic that we could use. Now all of these types of traffic are available to us to create a profile. By creating a profile, we can assign that profile to workstations that are in our network. So let's take a look at the profile that we have. Profile definition, go ahead and right click it, hit Edit Attributes, drop down Profile Configuration. Go ahead and expand row 0, and you'll see that we have a profile name, SMINT profile. If you drop down Applications, you can see that this profile is using light database access traffic. So we've created a profile that's using light database traffic that was described in our application definition. So now that we have this profile, it needs to be associated with a workstation in order for it to apply. Now it's already done here, because you'll see that just go ahead and click any of the nodes, right click them, Edit Attributes, and expand Supported Profiles. You'll see that this profile name that we had created here in the profile definition is associated right now with the workstation. The supported profile is listed here, SMINT profile. So in the future, if we were going to create a new scenario, we would need to create an application definition that had some type of traffic defined within it. Then we would need to create a profile that would utilize that application. Once we created the profile, we would need to go into the attributes of the node and enter the name here under supported profiles. Once the name of the profile is entered there, it's associated with the workstation, and then the workstation will know what type of traffic to use. It's a little bit confusing, but it gets a lot easier the more you do it. So right now, because we're using our pre-configured palette, all of our workstations here are associated with our profile. So now we have a network. We've created application traffic to go across our network, and now all we need to do is decide what statistics we want to collect and then run the scenario.